Hi friends, welcome to SB Prediction. UK 49's lunchtime and tea time prediction Saturday 30 August 2025. Today UK 49's lunchtime prediction first number 20, number 37, number 15, number 45, number 11, booster number 6, UK 49's tea time prediction number. Join YouTube channel membership 99% accurate prediction member only. Join YouTube channel membership now. Join only level 5 UK 49's lunchtime 3 hot number 99% accurate prediction 3 hot number. Join only level 5 UK 49's lunchtime 3 hot number. Join now. Today UK 49's tea time prediction number first number 35, number 16, number 29, number 9, number 47, booster number 17. UK 49's lunchtime and tea time prediction complete. Like, share, comment and subscribe this YouTube channel now. Good luck, see you soon next video. Bye bye.